Hi, one forum is brings you the best. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Your comment and all likes will be highly appreciated. Yes, we are going to Senzo Meyiwa's case here, the trial involving the murder of Senzo Meyiwa. And today we are talking about something else, that is the death of one of the lawyers, the defense lawyers here. We are talking about Advocate Thulani D. Yeah, he died just last Tuesday, that is 10th of December 2024, right in Johannesburg. Yeah, this is a man that was reported ill for some time now, as a result of that, even when he was in court. He joined the case in October last year, 2023. He joined the case when the case was being held based on trial within trial. Yes, that was the time that he joined the case, and he was representing one of the accused person. There are 5 people on trial now, and we are talking about Muzi Sibia. Yeah, that's the person that he was representing as an advocate or as a defense lawyer before he met his untimely death. He's not been so well for some time. I've been going in and out of hospital as a result of taking care of himself, but even he's been absent from court as a result of that for some time now. It's so sad that this whole case about Senzo Meyiwa, the trial involving the Senzo Meyiwa, is taking more life than expected. Some people have already passed on some of the investigators also passed on as a result of one thing or the other. And it's very difficult for one to tell or to foretell exactly what may be behind it, or the mystery behind all these cases. The trial involving Senzo Meyiwa's murder. Yeah, this is a man that was killed some years ago, 10 years ago. He was killed in 2014. The case has been dragging till now. It has been reopened again, and now we are seeing or hearing of the fall of some of the lawyers. It can be maybe natural, but when things keep on recurring like this, there will be suspicion. Could it be that there is something at play? It's very difficult for us to use our naked eyes to tell, or our mind to tell. All that we can say is, may the soul of Thulani, that's Lawyer Thulani D, rest in perfect peace. Now we pray that things will be done properly so that this case will come to an end, so that we don't end up losing more people or people that are involved in this very case. He was so down when it comes to health, even making his presentation. Most often than not, he comes in with his nose mask here and there to be able to protect himself. It could be that it's a natural cause or whatever it is, but that is for the family. We have to live and respect the family, so we'll not go into that, make any allegation over here. But it's too often that this case is dragging so much. It can be natural or whatever it is. We don't know about that. We will not delve or go into that. But according to the spokesperson of the family, he confirmed the death that this great guy is one of the genius when it comes to laws in South Africa, has passed on to glory. We can only pray that may his soul rest in perfect peace. But we call on the judge and the people that handle this case, Bonkani Jinida and the other people, the security services as well as the judiciary. They should liaise very well so that this case will come to a very successful end. This is the man that was advocated, argued that Kelly Kumelo has to be called to testify, or has to be in the dock for her to be cross-examined. Even it was even his turn for him to cross-examine or ask questions about Brigadier General Bonkani Jinida before we are hearing about his death now. Yeah, but as the case continues, definitely this guy I'm talking about accused Muzi Sibia, he needs to call or get a new lawyer to be able to defend him. That is how it is here. The longer the case runs, the longer the opportunity or the possibility of some people will be in and out. Why? Because we are human beings. No one knows tomorrow. That is why there is a need for action to be taken so that this case will come to a very successful end, so that justice can be served to Senzo Meyiwa. This guy have cried for so long in his grave, and we pray that one day he'll get justice, and it's going to be a very good victory for him and his family. May the soul of Advocate Thulani D rest in perfect peace. We are going to miss you, your presentation, your knowledge, and your advocacy. But we know that may the good Lord be with you and protect you as you reside in the bosom of the Lord. Please, for more about discussions and analysis like this, kindly subscribe to this channel. One forum is for the best when it comes to politics of Africa and historical antecedents. For the best when it comes to crime and security, we'll be right here to bring you the best. Your comments and your likes always will be highly appreciated. Thank you so much, and kindly subscribe to this channel, One Forum News, and we'll be here to bring you more details about this great story, or the sad story of the trial involving the murder of Senzo Meyiwa. We would like to see it to the end, and everything will be reported and presented to you. This is a man that was a goalkeeper and a very good, great captain of Bafana Bafana. That's the national team of South Africa, before he met his untimely death in the home or the house of his then girlfriend, Kelly Kumelo, who happened to be a famous and a musician in South Africa. So one day there will be justice for Senzo Meyiwa. We'll have our eyes on this case. We'll present you the best. Kindly subscribe.